Alright guys, I'm just about to enter the freeway here and the check engine started flashing already. And watch the trims. Hopefully you guys can see that because I need that data. 3 on bank 1. And the check engine is flashing. Here's the deal. So if bank 2 is running way too lean, the computer's command is to add more fuel in there, and we're gonna do some further testing. Vacuum leaks should stabilize the fuel trim if you rev the vehicle around 2000 or 2500 RPM. And if it does stabilize during those RPMs, I'm gonna go after a vacuum leak, which I think it might be a vacuum leak. So I went ahead and edited this. So the trims are now, I'm just watching the short term and bank 1 and bank 2, but the light is already solid. It does just idling. I'm just idling right now, and the trims on bank 2 definitely keeps on changing. So it's not doing it right now though. There, see how that bumped into 10. Okay, I'm gonna do, let's see if it goes away with the RPM going up. If it's stabilized, then we're going after fuel trims. I mean, it does get worse. It's getting worse as I rev. Now the light, wow. Now the light is flashing, the check engine light is flashing. We are going to smoke the system. Yeah, according to all data, bank 2 is the driver's side here. So I'm gonna go ahead and smoke the system and go from there. Hopefully it'll show something. Oh, I'm seeing some leak there. I don't know if that's normal or not. Well, mainly after this bank. If that rudder goes to that specific bank, it could be an issue. This is your, what is this thing? Let's see. Like my contraption there. Alright, let's see. Seeing a smoke there. Where's that coming from? So coming from that. I don't know if that's normal or not. Because sometimes the EGR, exhaust gas recirculation, they have a leak, a little bit of a leak, but that's normal because the fuel transfer is still able to adjust it. Any other leak here? Mainly after this bank. This one here. Nope, it's too little. Look back here. Smoke, smoke. Okay, look. It looks like it's coming from this valve. Alright, let's see. This should be I think this is a runner valve. But that one's definitely leaking. Okay, so we're gonna spray this cleaner for the suspected leak. Yeah, I'll put you guys on the trims. Keep it changes. Spraying now. Minus. Oh, it does change. But I still don't like how bank 2 doesn't like to change drastic. I'm gonna spray again to spray. Okay, we're gonna redo this again, but I'm gonna be generous this time. We're gonna put a lot more. Hey, what's up, Kenny? Oh, bring it with you?
Oh, no, it's on the floor.
Oh.
Yeah. Oh, it's already off. It's already off.
Okay. How are you?
I'm good, dude.
Good,
I'm good. How's business here?
Just a quick update on this video. Replacement of the whole intake manifold together with the bias valve. Fix the issue. And here's the bias valve in this section here. And this is just a diaphragm that moves the bias valve open or closed on demand based on the computer output. So yep, this car is fixed. See you guys in the next one.